Beer Champ Barbecuers, Happy New Year. Today we're doing up basically Superbowl sides in the Pit Boss Vertical 7. Check it out. We're going to be doing buffalo wing dip and sausage stuffed mushrooms. Had my first hiccup with the Pit Boss Vertical. We're doing good now. Anyway, I thought I finally ran out of pellets, but no, I didn't. But when they feed down in was a little bit of a problem. That's what happened. She was cooking real good, 400 degrees. I didn't have any food in it yet, so that's fine. And it just kept dropping. So I kept hitting prime and fine. So I decided to add a whole nother bag of pellets, make sure that auger was working. It was working just fine. It just kept filling up that bowl. And once it finally did take, whoo, she was cooking. And anyway, it's got a safety feature in it. So the flames are shooting. It's contained in this box, so we're fine. But once it gets too hot, the underneath mechanisms, the electrical and all that stuff, you don't need that heat near that because it could cause some failure, so it shuts off. So that's a good thing. Anyway, cleared out that, got the temp down. I just opened the door. It's only 32 degrees, maybe tops. Anyway, got the temp down. All them pellets burnt out, and we're back to normal now. Thankfully. But I did add another 20-pound bag of hickory pellets to it. There still was at least 5 to 10 pounds. Out of all the cooking I've done, and hours and hours and hours, I mean over 40 hours on a 40-pound bag, and it wasn't even gone yet. So awesome. Now, let's get into making this buffalo chicken dip. trying a different camera. Anyway, buffalo chicken dip, hell yeah. Stuffed mushrooms, you can't go wrong. Let's try it. I'm thirsty. It's New Year's. 2020, here we come, baby. Ooh. One of my favorites. A little bit of celery. That chicken wing dip. Buffalo chicken, rockin'. Oh, hell yeah. Oh. That buffalo dust that I used, man, that helps out. So it's not so greasy, really. And look at that. Like, it holds. Tremendous. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. Can't go wrong. Chicken wing dip, man, every time. It's got a little kick to it too. That wing dust. Now, sausage, dropping food, the usual. Stuffed mushrooms with sausage and sharp cheese, a little bit of breadcrumb. Let's have at it. I am throwing this whole thing in, right down the hatch. Man, same thing. Can never go wrong with that. Now, my mom, she makes it with cream cheese. That's really good. Should have done it. But this is really good too. So, yeah, I gotta do my own. But maybe next time I'll add a little cream cheese to the mixture. Pop that in. Oh, hell yeah. But just simple sausage, sharp cheese, a little bit of breadcrumb. 20 minutes or so, 350 in the Pit Boss. And then I did this tremendous work of art. Buffalo wing dip, 20 minutes, 400 degrees. Man. And topped it off with sharp at the end, the last few minutes, like 5 minutes or so. And it's like, it's hell. It's good. Do that any time of the week, you're gonna have a goddamn good day. Hell yeah. A little wipe of the face. Bottoms up. That little near catastrophe of the Pit Boss that I had going, I got worried. Some of the horror stories that people had about the Pit Boss Vertical and saying what they had said about it, but hey, we're back and running. It's spot on. Set at 400. It's at 390 right now. 395. Man, digging that guy. Tomorrow, got something else for you in the Pit Boss. My Weber, boy, it's getting misused, but I've never cooked in it, so that's why there's so many cooks going on with that. In the combination with the Blackstone, man, that's a killer combination. But if you like charcoal, those two are a killer combination as well. Right there. I mean, all three of these are rocking. My gas grill, she's just a table. Old Weber, copper Weber, she's just the same thing. That I will use still. So don't get worried. That exhaust fan gets kind of loud, but hey, it keeps that smoke out of here. We don't need that. I'll end up dead or something. Hey, Happy New Year. Cheers. And drive responsibly. Take an Uber or stay home. Or in your barbecue shanty like me. Although I'm going in to eat with everybody. It's that time. And can't go wrong with Superbowl Sides any time of the year. Peace.